Hey everyone, let's see how to use Shefware JSON Converter tool step by step.
First, go to your browser and search for www.shefware.com.
In our product section, search for Shefware JSON Converter.
After successfully launching application, add files or folder you want to convert. Now you can checkmark what files you want to convert. Click on Next. Select Export option, on which format you want your converted file. There are sub-options you can select accordingly. Select the destination path where you want to store the converted file. Click Next.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and visit shefware.com.